Steve Olliges here. We're here at the Rage of the River 2014 and looking to hang out with a bunch of people we normally don't get to race against. So we brought both trucks out, the Geyser Trophy Truck and the 79 Class 8. Mark Newhan's going to drive that one, and we're just looking forward to having a good time out here and racing. We won this thing a few years ago, and I'll tell you what, just the terrain, the course, the way it's laid out, it's just an awesome event. See those white lights behind us?
Yep.
On that one truck, so you know what it looks like?
Yeah, on the right side.
Yeah. All right, man.
Okay, get ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it was a great day today. These guys are going fast. Hats off to Justin Bean Smith out there. Just did an awesome job and qualified first and stayed out there. And I got Tate Knuckles in his truck was just on fire. So great racing with everybody. These are all buddies and good fun. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Course is getting chopped up, but we're gonna see who's surviving. It's gonna be a race of survival, but just a great day all around.
Hi, it's Mark Newhan here at the 2014 Rage at the River. Built this truck for Steve a few years ago. Been fortunate enough to drive it a few times. Won some races in it, some truck races and the smaller SNORE races. So we qualified 8th yesterday. A little bit underpowered for the truck class, but this thing isn't really good for the point-to-point out of the turns. It's better in the open desert, so hopefully we can do a little bit better than that today, tomorrow, and see if we can chase Steve down a little bit. we were doing pretty good. Came down off the drop-off, went through those rollers, and just was getting ready to get back on the gas, and it looks like the studs that hold the third member into the housing get sheared, and it's come forward out of the housing. So I've never seen this in my life. This is a new one for me.
Yeah, no, we came out here, yesterday was good for us, we ended up third. Thought I was on a good pace. Obviously I got to pick it up a little bit, so I think today, with as rough as it's going to be, it's just going to be a challenging event, and it's going to be pretty cool. So for my buddy Trevor with me, and he's had a lot of experience on this stuff, so Trevor, what do you think?
Just got to keep it going fast.
Yep, it's going to be good times.
Wow. Oh, we had a good time. My buddy Trevor kept me straight and chasing this guy. He was an awesome driver. He did a great job, man. You did awesome. Good job, man.
You too, man. Good racing.
Oh, thanks. So we had a great race today. I don't know where anybody else is. No one finished, but just a great day here, Laughlin, day 2. Pretty much got second for the day, and behind Justin. So good day in the Ford Rough Rider, Fox Ford BFG. Just awesome. I'll tell you what, I really am glad we got these seats in here, these suspension seats, because going over these moon bumps and sharp edges or whatever, I was like on a couch the whole time. So I'm glad I had those on, and trail ready wheels, man. We hit rocks, everything, no problems, no flats, and I really thank the equipment we have, because without it, I saw people with broken wheels all over the place and flats, and of course they weren't running the tires we were. So anyway, thanks to all the sponsors, just awesome deal.